Arcano Studios.
We will talk about some sound effects together. Let's go! Some sound effects are short, like Sky's peeing sound effect. Some sound effects are medium, like Satow's pooping and moaning sound effect. And some sound effects are longer than ever, which is Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
And today's talking about sound effect is the 2-minute farting sound effect from Area. This is the final episode of the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series from Season 2. Hello guys, IRL Noella here, and today I will talk about the 2-minute farting sound effect from Area. It's from a video called The Expired Muffin, Gacha Fart. It was uploaded on 2023, March 22nd, which was 2 years ago. The duration of the sound effect is 0:38 to 2:39. The total is 121 seconds. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like in 3, 2, 1, 0. That was incredible! Anyways, that's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for my O-Season characters when they poop in the toilet for 2 minutes straight. Remember kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos. But be sure to give credit to Area before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here and it will be in the description below. The sound effect starts at 0:38 and ends at 2:39. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in Season 3. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.